Welcome to a truly grounded and practical guide for financial stability. This isn't about unrealistic promises or magical shortcuts. Instead, it's a rebuilding plan for anyone starting from scratch. We will not delve into any get-rich-quick schemes here. There will be no talk of overnight success or lottery wins. Our focus is entirely on sustainable, actionable steps. My aim is to present this journey as if I were starting over with absolutely nothing. This approach helps build immediate trust and shows that real progress is possible, even from zero. This isn't just theory, it's a step-by-step roadmap. It's designed to be a valuable, actionable resource, empowering you to take control of your financial future. In a world saturated with financial advice, much of it is filled with hype and speculation. We cut through that noise entirely. You won't find any crypto lottery talk or volatile market predictions here. This approach is refreshing because it focuses on what truly works. It emphasizes a realistic, sustainable path to financial health, avoiding fleeting trends. Our strategy is built upon fundamental financial principles. These are timeless concepts that have proven effective across generations. Consistency is key. We prioritize consistent effort over sporadic, high-risk ventures. Smart decision-making forms the bedrock of every step. This ensures progress that lasts. Our goals are long-term solutions, not quick fixes. We are building a robust financial foundation that can withstand challenges and support lasting prosperity. This guide uses a personal and relatable tone. This helps foster a strong connection, making the advice feel more accessible and less intimidating. Financial topics don't have to be overwhelming. By sharing a hypothetical journey of starting from zero, we establish credibility. It demonstrates a genuine understanding of the challenges you might face. This approach directly addresses the needs of someone truly beginning with nothing. It acknowledges the difficulties but provides clear, actionable pathways forward. Understanding your current position is the crucial first step. We'll identify all existing debts, no matter how small or large they seem. Knowledge is power here. Pinpoint exactly where your money goes each month. Understanding your current expenses reveals spending patterns and areas for potential adjustment. Even if resources feel minimal, catalog everything available to you. This includes any assets, skills, or potential support networks. Every little bit counts. Creating a spending plan, or budget, is non-negotiable. This isn't about restriction, but about intentional allocation. It's your financial GPS. Diligently track every dollar that comes in and goes out. This real-time awareness helps you stay on course and make informed decisions. There are many tools available for this. Always prioritize your essential needs first. Shelter, food, transportation, and basic utilities come before anything else. Secure these fundamentals. Debt can feel overwhelming, but a strategic approach makes it manageable. Focus first on high-interest debts, like credit cards, as these cost you the most over time. Explore options like debt consolidation. This can simplify payments and potentially lower your interest rates, making your debt more manageable. Don't be afraid to research. Consider debt negotiation if you're truly struggling. Sometimes creditors are willing to work with you on payment plans or even reduce the principal. It's worth exploring. Reliance on a single income stream is risky. Start exploring part-time job opportunities, even if they seem small, to supplement your income. Every extra dollar helps. Engage in freelancing activities, leveraging any skills you possess. Writing, graphic design, virtual assistants, or tutoring can all generate additional funds. Develop side hustles based on your interests or talents. This could be anything from pet sitting to selling handmade goods. Turn your passions into profit. Saving and investing might seem far off, but start small. Even putting away a few dollars consistently builds momentum and good habits. Small steps lead to big results. Gradually build a savings cushion. Aim for an emergency fund that can cover a few months of essential expenses. This provides financial peace of mind. Explore low-risk investment options once you have an emergency fund. Index funds or diversified ETFs are often good starting points for beginners. Do your research carefully. Financial literacy is not a one-time lesson, it's a continuous journey. Emphasize the importance of lifelong learning about managing your money. Stay informed about personal finance trends and economic changes. The more you know, the better equipped you are to adapt and make sound decisions. Always seek reliable information. As we share this valuable advice, we can also integrate affiliate marketing. This means recommending products or services that genuinely help our audience. For example, we can suggest reputable budgeting apps that make tracking expenses easier. This provides a direct solution while potentially earning a small commission. Recommending effective debt management tools or services can also be beneficial. We only suggest resources that genuinely align with our principles of sound financial practice. Highlighting credible financial education courses can further empower our audience. These recommendations offer deeper learning opportunities for those who want to expand their knowledge. This approach allows us to monetize content while adding tangible value to your journey. It's a win-win situation, supporting our mission while helping you. To foster future growth, we'll utilize lead magnets. These are valuable, free resources that engage our audience and encourage further interaction. Offering downloadable budget templates is a perfect example. They provide an immediate, practical tool that can help people apply the principles we discuss. Providing financial checklists, such as a debt payoff checklist or a savings goal tracker, can also be highly effective. These simplify complex tasks into manageable steps. These lead magnets are designed to build an email list. This allows us to communicate ongoing advice, new resources, and special offers directly to those who need it most. Ultimately, these strategies create opportunities for financial gain alongside service. We aim to empower you financially, and in doing so, build a sustainable community around this mission.